This is the easiest makeup look you'll ever do in your life. Disclaimer, my nose is peeling right now, so excuse the flakiness, but we're going to start this very easy makeup tutorial with sunscreen. I already applied moisturizer, so now I'm just going to apply some sunscreen because we need to stay protected. And I'm also using an acid right now to help with my hyperpigmentation, so sunscreen is very, very important. So when my skin absorbs the product, I'm going to do my eyebrows using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the shade Espresso. Everything will be listed in the description. So now we're going to conceal our under eyes using the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Almond. You guys, when I tell you that like I'm in love with this product, like it is my go-to ever since I rediscovered it. Whew. Listen, if there's anything you learn or take from this video, it has to be this concealer. So because it is a cream product, it will blend seamlessly into your skin. And for this look, just use a shade that's like the closest to your skin tone, and for me the shade is Almond. So just using your finger, just blend the product into your skin. Can you just see how it brightened and lifted up my under eye? Like, this is basically products in a pot. And I'm not going to go too far down my under eye area. I'm going to keep it directly under my eye and where my darkness, well, where the darkness and eye bag would be. And I'm going to bring it up a bit to lift up the eye area further, like even more. Listen, my English today is not it, okay? Ooh, I love this concealer. And what I really love about this concealer is that a little goes a long way. So all you need to do is basically dip your finger, rub a little bit, and conceal your eye. And I do it twice, so once per eye. Yeah, so once per eye. And I also really love this concealer because, as you can see, it is a cream product. It comes in a really small pot, and all you really need to apply it is your finger. So honestly, you can just like take it wherever you go, whenever you feel like, oh, you know what, maybe I look a bit tired after work, before going out for girls' night or something like that, or for after work. Boom! You take out this concealer and you're good to go. Honestly, like, can't you tell the difference? Like, I can tell the difference, and I love this concealer, you guys. Love, love, love this concealer. Dare I say, I think it is better than the soft matte, not the radiant creamy concealer, the one that comes in the tube. This is like my favorite concealer right now. So now that we're done with the concealer, we're going to set it / bake a little bit with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder in the shade Blondie. This is my third time using it. My first time was trying it in store before buying it. I used it I think last week, and I have to say that I bought the mini version because I wasn't really sure about my commitment level to this powder. I liked how it looked in stores. I was just like, you know what, let me take the mini version, and if I don't like it and don't really end up using it, it won't like hurt as much as having the big old powder, like the big old box. And now that I had a chance to try the mini version at home, I have to say that I hate the packaging. Like, I cannot do the packaging because, let me show you, it comes with a little tab and it has like the puffer already integrated into the lid, so you have to like, you know, dip it, clack, 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 and then apply it. First of all, I hate that. I don't really think that that's very like sanitary, and usually when a product comes with their own little sponges, I end up just like tossing it because I'm not going to keep it there, use it on my skin over my product, and then replace it over top of fresh product. Like, to me, that's really not sanitary, so I do not use this puffer. And because I do not use the puffer, using my brush to take some of the product, it's very messy because the powder ends up like flying all over the place, and I hate it. The packaging, like the mini size, is really convenient for traveling. However, I feel like it's not the best packaging. Like, no, Huda Beauty, do something. But we're still going to use this powder through there, or I'm going to suck it up and still use it. So when it comes to baking, I don't like to apply a lot of product or bake for a long time. So let me just like let the product sit for a bit over the concealer and apply some mascara. This is not my first time using this mascara. If you follow me on Instagram, if you're not, what are you waiting for? I did drop a video showcasing this mascara, and if you have short lashes, this mascara is for you. I just love the way it gives volume and length to my short lashes. You can just see also how dark it is. To me, the darker the mascara, the better. Okay, so now I'm just dusting off the product, and yes, me baking before applying foundation is intentional because the only foundation we're going to be using is powder foundation, which I'm going to use to tone down a bit the yellowness of the blondie powder. Because I want a bright under eye, but not that bright. And usually the only times I really want a bright under eye is during nighttime, and you can't really tell, but it is 9 a.m. Actually 10 a.m. sorry. So now using my trusty Fenty Beauty powder, you guys, I hit pan. That's how you know I really love this product, and I've been using it a lot. So this is a shade 390. So I'm just going to dust it all over using a big powder foundation brush. This one is from Real Techniques. So I love how this powder foundation gives you like a blurred skin effect. So if you also have hyperpigmentation like me and want more coverage out of this powder foundation, use a more compact flat top brush instead of a big fluffy foundation brush to get more coverage. So the last step of our base is blush. So using the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Truth. How cute is this little blush, you guys? So I've used this once before for the first time, and it was actually my first time using a liquid blush. So here's my tip when it comes to liquid blushes. You can either apply it over or under your foundation. And I found that applying this blush under the foundation does take away a lot of the pigment of it. So if you want a really subtle look, apply the liquid blush under your makeup look. Under your foundation. And if you want to actually see the pigment of the blush and have it more pronounced, apply it over the powder or liquid blush, just like we're about to do now. So I'm going to apply just a tiny bit on each corner. And even for liquid blushes, I hate that I have to like dip it again in the pot and apply it over product. Like, oof, I really don't like that. So let's apply it on each side. So to blend my blush, I'm just going to use a really fluffy slanted brush. So I'm really going to like blend it all over my cheek, bring it up a bit. Okay, so I did mess up a bit with the blending of my blush. So do not worry, it is very fixable. All we need is a bit of that setting powder to apply over top and tone it down a bit. and boom, it is fixed. We're just going to use some finishing spray. I'm using the NYX matte finish spray. This will make sure that we get rid of that powdery look. So while that dries, let's do our lips. I'm just going to apply some lip gloss. This is Ruby by Fenty Beauty. And as you can tell, you guys, I love my mini makeup products. That's it for this super easy makeup tutorial. Let me know what you thought of it in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!